WorldPay. Hey, so to get started setting up your WorldPay integration, all you have to do is go to the admin page, click on credit card, and then go to the WorldPay tab. Click on enable, just check that box, and then enter the WorldPay information for your office. Also on this screen, you can customize what the top of your receipts will say, so you can go ahead and do that now. Now would also be a good time to make sure that your scanner is plugged in, that it is connected to a power socket, and that it's connected to your Ethernet. If you look at the screen of your scanner, it should say activation code on it, followed by the code itself. Once you've made sure that all of that is situated, all you have to do is click on Run WorldPay. When you first start it up, the Settings tab should be enabled. If it's not, go ahead and click on that. There's a lot on the screen, but for now you can just click on Pair Lane. In this box, type in a description or a name to make sure that you can remember which scanner this is in case you have multiple scanners installed. After that, type in the activation code that is on your device and then press Pair Device. Once you've done that for all of the scanners that you plan on using, then you are good to go on that front. Now for collecting payments with WorldPay. When creating a payment, you can select the type to be WorldPay and then click Run Credit Card. Make sure that the scanner selected at the top is the one that you actually wish to use. Here you can handle manually entering price amount details or card details if you really need to, but of most important note is the Generate Token checkbox. It is recommended that you check it off before hitting send. This setting will allow the card to be securely reused in the future, so if the patient returns in the future, you will see an additional option to use the card already on file. Convenient. When you hit send, it should say waiting for device. This means that it is waiting for the patient to scan their card. The scanner should work like many other card scanners, including requiring debit cards to type in a PIN number. When it says approved, you can hit show receipt to save or print the receipt, and then you can hit return results to go back to the billing page. The completed transaction will be filled in for you automatically. If you need to check the WorldPay info after the fact, you can double-click the payment. This is also another way to print the receipt. Voiding payments still works, but when you press the Void Payment button, it will bring up the WorldPay window. Just hit the Send button, and it will void the payment. And if at any point you need to check the nitty-gritty details of past transactions or outstanding tokens, you can access it from the WorldPay window under the Settings tab. There are buttons labeled as such. And that's it, more or less. You are good to go.